Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance perspective. The song is Better. The artist is Iman, and the choreographer is Cessily, Greene. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a very friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions of this video, this line dance, please watch till the end, and I'll pin the line dance right here, the step-by-step instructions, and here we go. There you go, perspective. My name is Linda Sims. I am the teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.